Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Cupra Formentor eHybrid V2. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing up to 201 brake horsepower and returns up to a very impressive 217 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the Graphene Grey, which was a very expensive factory option and looks in great condition for the age of mileage. Having a look inside, you've got a very high specification on the V2. So the leather seats here have the orange stitching, and the front seats are also electric. Both seats are also heated, and there's a armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then off the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the right hand side your button just down there for the heated steering wheel, so ideal for the winter months. You also have automatic headlights and wipers, the virtual cockpit display, and on the driver's wheel card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The rear passengers have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers can also control their own temperatures with the climate control, and there's 2 USB-C sockets as well. Opening the tailgates, we have 2 bags there for both electric cables, which is very important when looking to buy a hybrid car, to make sure both cables are still with the vehicle. And underneath the boot floor, you've also then got at the back there, just underneath the boot floor, your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.